Okay, next lesson, 6.4, rationalize the denominator. Okay, example 1.
Can we please report to the office? Can we to the office?
Okay, so 7 over root 3. So rationalizing the denominator means we do not want a square root to end up on the bottom of a fraction. Okay, so how am I going to get rid of this? Is I'm going to multiply it by a root 3. But if I multiply the bottom by root 3, I also have to multiply the top by root 3 because this is multiplying by 1. So can you understand that multiplying by 1 is not changing any value, it's just changing how it looks. Okay, so now this becomes 7 root 3. What happens root 3 and root 3? That becomes a whole number 3. Okay, or if you really want, you can go root 9, which becomes 3. So let's just check. I told you we weren't changing the value. We're going to go 7 divided by square root 3 equals 4.04. Now we're going to look at the new value. We got 7 times root 3 divided by 3 is 4.04. So you can see that the value didn't change, but now it's expressed without a root or radical on the bottom. Okay, now let's go example 2. 8 root 5 over root 2. Okay, so I need to get rid of a root 2. So I'm going to times by root 2 over root 2. All right, now the numerator becomes 8 root 10. And root 2 and root 2 cancel each other to be a whole number 2. And then I'm just going to look at my final answer here. I can make this change. 8 divided by 2 is 4 root 10. Example 3. Root 3 over 4 root 5. So what am I trying to get rid of? I'm trying to get rid of a root 5. So I'm going to multiply by root 5 over root 5. So now my numerator becomes root 15 over.
Kim Brock or Marcy Falk, please report to the office immediately. First name, Kim Brock or Marcy Falk, to the office, please.
And now this becomes root 5, just a 5, and I still need to multiply by 4. So this is root 15 over 20.
Let's go to the stage.